Hey guys, welcome back to Live Beyond Sunday. I am Michael Knorr, and this is day 3 of Influence Replacement. And this is going to be short and sweet. So I just want to encourage you right now. You're obviously on social. After this video is done, I want to encourage you just simply to stop scrolling, to stop watching videos, stop looking at all the stuff, and spend some time in prayer right now. Because there's literally no greater influence than spending some time with God and just talk to him. Talk about all the things that are on your mind, all the concerns you might have, everything that's going on. And this is actually perfect timing. I was just with the kids doing Sunday school, and we're teaching about prayer and how do we start prayer, and how do we progress in prayer. And there's a great acronym for prayer, and how do you approach it, how do you prepare your heart for it, and then where do you progress to? And that acronym is A.C.T.S, A.C.T.S. So it's a really great idea to start with Adoration, talking to God, and it helps you recognize who God is and who you're talking to. So adore him in all of his qualities, how great he loves us, the fact that he sacrificed his son for us, the fact that he has a very personal, intimate relationship with us, the fact that he resides within us, all those types of things, the fact that he's infinite, the fact that, we literally could do nothing that would, deserve his, not be deserving of his love, like all of that, right? So adoration. And then progress to confession. So again, preparing yourself further, humbling yourself and just talking to him of like, hey, I need to tell you all these things. And God, I ask for your forgiveness. And then Thanksgiving is next, so T. Giving thanks for all the awesome, wonderful things that are going on in your life. And then S is seeking. So this is where you go ahead and say, hey, look, these are the things that I need. These are the things that I know other people need. And putting forth your requests. And it's so common for us to go ahead and just jump straight to seeking of, hey, I need you, I need this, I need this, I need this. And we skip all that wonderful time in front of it. And so I encourage you to do that. And I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.